April 15th is only 5 days away. If you haven't filed your taxes yet, you could be leaving hundreds or even thousands of dollars on the table. These 7 brand new IRS changes from the One Big Beautiful Bill could put a significantly bigger refund in your pocket this year, up to $1,000, $2,000, or more, depending on your situation. Stay with me until the end, because this might be the most valuable video you watch all week. Let's dive in right now. Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm your faceless finance guide, here to break down money matters in simple terms. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial or tax advice. Please consult a qualified tax professional or visit IRS.gov for your personal situation. Always double-check the latest rules before filing. All right, here are the 7 major new changes you need to know for your 2025 tax return that you're filing in 2026. Number 1. Up to $10,000 deduction on car loan interest. If you bought or leased a new vehicle assembled in the United States, you may now deduct up to $10,000 in interest paid on that auto loan. This is a brand new break that can save you real money, especially if you financed a recent car purchase. Number 2. No tax on qualified tips. Up to $25,000 deduction. Waitstaff, bartenders, salon workers, delivery drivers, and many others who regularly receive tips can now deduct up to $25,000 in qualified tip income. This effectively makes a large portion of your tips tax-free for the 2025 tax year. Number 3. Overtime pay deduction. Up to $12,500 for singles or $25,000 for joint filers. If you worked overtime in 2025, you can deduct up to $12,500 of that overtime compensation from your taxable income. Married couples filing jointly can deduct up to $25,000. This is huge for hourly workers and anyone putting in extra hours. Number 4. Extra $6,000 deduction for seniors. If you or your spouse were 65 years old or older by December 31st, 2025, you may qualify for an additional $6,000 deduction per person. That's $12,000 if both qualify. This is on top of the regular senior standard deduction and can make a big difference for retirees. Number 5. Higher standard deduction. For 2025 taxes, the standard deduction has increased again. Single filers and married filing separately get about $16,100, while married filing jointly get around $32,200. This means even more people will benefit from taking the standard deduction instead of itemizing. Number 6. Enhanced child tax credit and family benefits. The child tax credit has been boosted under the new law, putting more money back in the pockets of working families with kids. Combined with other family credits, this can add up to hundreds or thousands in extra refund money. Number 7. Higher retirement contribution limits and easier free filing options. 401k and IRA limits have gone up, and there are more free or low-cost filing options available through IRS Free File. Plus, the new law includes several simplifications that make saving for retirement even more rewarding. These 7 changes together are why millions of Americans are expected to see larger refunds this season. So, what should you do in the next 5 days? Here's your quick action plan. First, gather all your documents right now. W-2s, 1099s, receipts for deductions, mortgage statements, and any records of tips or overtime. Second, choose your filing method. Use IRS Free File if your income is under the limit, or reliable software like TurboTax or H&R Block for guided help with these new deductions. Third, file electronically and choose direct deposit. This is the fastest way to get your refund, often in just 2 to 3 weeks. Don't wait until the last minute. The closer we get to April 15th, the more stress and potential mistakes happen. If you need more time, you can file for an extension by April 15th. But remember, you still need to pay any taxes you owe by that date to avoid penalties. Before we finish, here's one more reminder. These new rules are powerful, but they come with eligibility requirements and phase-outs based on your income. Always verify your specific situation on the official IRS website or with a tax pro. If you found this helpful, do me a favor. Drop a comment below and let me know. Have you filed your taxes yet this year? Also, Hit that like button if you want more straightforward finance and tax tips, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video on how to reset your budget for the rest of 2026. A free tax checklist is waiting for you in the description. Grab it now. Thanks for watching. File smart, save more, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.